Welcome back to Dr. Zahir Math. In this video, I'm going to solve one question, one-dimensional heat equation. I'm going to solve what? One-dimensional heat equation by Crank-Nicholson scheme or method, you can say. Right. For the what? One-dimensional heat equation. What is the heat equation? Uxx is equal to what? 16 times ut, right? This is nothing but dou square u by dou x square is equal to what? 16 times dou u by dou t. To get the value of a, I told you few points. Remember all of you, to get the value of a, right? Your coefficient of ut is equal to a. At the same time, when you are taking coefficient of ut, at the same time, coefficient of uxx must be what? 1. Check it out. Coefficient is what? 1. And a is equal to how much? 16. Right. So we got the value of a is equal to 16. Next, let me choose the h value. H is given in the question, which is equal to 0.25. Let me read the question. 0 less than x less than or equal to 1 and t is greater than 0. Right? Yes. And then two boundary conditions are given. One is u of x comma 0 is equal to 0. U of 0 comma t is 0. Why this is called boundary condition? Sorry, this is not boundary. X is c. This is t equal to 0. This is not boundary, right? Sorry. This is the initial condition, right? Yes. So the boundary condition, this one, u of 0 comma t, that is x is equal to 0. This is boundary. And this is x is equal to 1. This is a boundary condition. And this is your initial condition. This is your initial condition. Why this is initial condition? Because t is equal to 0. It is a temperature function. The solution will be in the terms of what? U of x comma t, right? U of what? X comma t. Okay. Right. So in this way, u of x comma t, we are going to calculate. Yes. Now let us go for computing the u, right? For how many step? One step, right? One step you have to go, right? H is given, k is not given. Okay, we need to calculate. So x value ranging from 0 to 1, right? With the h of 0.25, jump here 0.25, jump 0.5 and jump here which is 0.75. And t value, you need k value, right? For this we need a formula. I told you lambda is equal to k divided by h square a. In the last video I told you. Crank-Nicholson used lambda value is 1, which is equal to k divided by h square a. You can also remember k is equal to h square a. This also you can remember, no problem. So k is equal to what is h square? 0.25 the whole square. What is your a? A is 16. Okay. So if I put in the calculator, I am getting k is equal to 1. So k is equal to 1. So t value always starts from 0. So you have to jump plus 1. How many steps they are asking? Only one step. So you are going to jump only one step. Keep in your mind. One jump only. Right. Everything is ready. Let's go for the table. So this is your x value and this is your t value. X value starts from 0, 0.25, 0.5, 0.75 and 1. Right. Let me write a little bit closer, right? 0, 0.5, 0, 0.25, 0.25, 0.5, 0.75 and 1. T value starts from 0 and 1. That's it, only one jump. Okay, yes. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to fill up all the things, right? What are the boundary conditions given? The boundary condition is what? U of 0 comma t is equal to 0. And u of 1 comma t is equal to 0. What is the meaning of this one? X is equal to 0, temperature u is 0. What is the meaning of this one? X is equal to 1, temperature is 0, right? So x is equal to 0, the temperature is 0. It means these values are zeros, right? Let me use another color. Okay, these values are 0, right? Let me put the table also so that it will be easy for you, right? And this one also, right? So don't think that there is a gap is here, nothing wrong, right? So this is your 0.25 and 0.5 and 0.75 and 0.5. Okay. So this one you're going to create this one. Okay. Right. This also you're going to create this one. Yes. Let me erase this one, and this also I can put like this, and this one I have to, yes, clear. This also I'll make it straight line. Okay, right, yes, okay. Now this is the one, x is equal to 1, right? So for x is equal to 1, what is the value? For x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, no, the x is equal to 0, it's finished, right? And x is equal to 1, it is 100t, which is, this one is 100t, this one is 100t. And when I put t equal to 0, this value is equal to what? 100, t is equal to 0. When I put t is equal to 1, this value is what? 100. Okay, right. So this is 100, 100, yes. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the next condition. What is the next condition? Initial conditions. What is the initial condition? U of x comma 0 is equal to 0. This is the initial condition. Initial condition means what? Time t equal to 0. So this is time t equal to 0, right? So here everything will be what? 0, 0, 0. So only thing is you need to find these three values, u1, u2, u3. That's it. So we are going to use what? Crank-Nicholson formula. So you need to write this formula in the exam. Please keep in your mind. Crank-Nicholson formula is given by, it's so easy to remember. I told you in the last video, u of I comma j plus 1 is equal to 4 times, keep in your mind, 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 times the left side u I minus 1 comma j plus 1 plus right side I plus 1 comma j plus 1. Then plus go one step on the left corner, u I minus 1 comma j, right? And then I minus 1 comma j plus right side corner, u I plus 1 comma j. Clear everybody? u I plus 1 comma j. Right, this bracket, no, this bracket. But you remember as a formula, but in the table, very easy to remember. How I told you, if you want to find this one, go this side, and the top corner, top left corner, top right corner, right? So how will you write the equation u1? So u1 is equal to 1 by 4 times, let me tell you, 0 plus u2 plus 0 plus 0. Clear everybody? 0 plus 0 plus u2 plus 0. u2 equals u2, u1 plus u3 plus 0 plus 0, right? So u1 plus u3 plus 0 plus 0. Next, u3 is equal to only three values, u2 plus 100 plus 0 plus 100. Okay, again I'm telling, u3 equals u2 plus 100 plus 0 plus 100. Okay, right. So 1 by 4 times, again I'm telling, u3 equals u2 plus 100 plus 0 plus 0. I think 0, right? When t is equal to 0, this is going to become what? 0. Sorry, thank you so much. Nobody told, I said thank you, no problem. So when I put t is equal to 0, this is 0. So it is going to become 0, right? So u2 plus 100 plus 0 plus 0. So we got three equations in u1, right? Same manner, you are going to solve this one. Just cross multiply. We are going to get what? 4u1 is equal to u2. So which implies 4u1 minus u2, right? And then plus 0 or plus 0 u3, right? So plus 0 u3 is equal to 0. Cross multiply. 4 u2 equals u1 plus u3, which implies minus u1 plus 4 u2 minus u3 is equal to 0, right? Yes, the next is 4 u3. So 4 u3 equals u2 plus 100, which implies there is no u1 minus u2 plus 4 u3 is equal to 100. So I'm going for mode 5 and then 2. Okay, let me solve and come back. Right, I got the value u1 is equal to 1.7857 and u2 equals 7.1429 and u3 equals 26.7857. So this clear. U1, U2, U3, we got it. So this is the second problem I solved in Crank-Nicholson method. I hope you understood. This is for one step. The previous question was 2 steps. Okay. If time is there, I will solve more problems. Okay. Thank you so much. If you really understood, please like, comment and share this video with your friends. East or West, Dr. Zahir Math is the best. Bye-bye.